So dad, may nagtatanong sa atin, ano mas okay, mag-doktor o mag-abogado? Sinasabi nila, ang doktor ay isang noble na profession. Yung nga lang, ang tagal ng pinag-aaralan mo, parang isang dekada ang pag-aaralan mo, tapos ang laki ng tuition na gugugulin mo, tapos yung kita ay mabagal sa umpisa. Yung isa naman, lawyer, mas mabilis naman yung pag-aaral, may additional course lang ng law after bachelor's. Yung nga lang, pagka talagang umangat ka sa paglolo, mas tanyag at mas sikat ka kasi mas kinikilala ka ng lipunan kung naging successful ka naman. So, ano ang nakikita mo in terms of financial rewards and in terms of social respect? Ano mas pinagkaiba ng pagiging doktor versus abogado?
Well, kasi kung titingnan natin, no, mas mahaba talaga ang gugugulin mong oras kung ikaw ay magiging isang doktor, no? Kasi 4 years pre-med yan, then 4 years proper, and then may internship ka pa, then may residency ka, tapos may board ka pa, no? So more or less, abutin ka ng 11 to 12 years bago ka makapagsimula talaga na mag-practice, no, na commercially or na privately, no. So yun ang unang challenge mo as a doctor. Pag abogado ka naman, normally 8 taon lang yan, no, plus 1 yung bar exam mo, no. So 8 plus 1 yan normally, no. So do 9. Dun sa kabila naman mga 11 to 12 years yan, no. So yun ang mga challenges ng mga parehong profesyon na yon. Pareho naman mabigat na kumbaga opportunity yan para sa mga kababayan natin na merong tiyaga, determinasyon at may kakayahan, no. Pero siyempre, iba yung financial rewards, no? Pag abogado ka, siyempre, mas maraming opportunity para sa iyo kasi mga ibang abogado niya na sikat, naging na politiko, government officials, no? So, mas maraming nagbubukas ng pintuan para sa kanila. Pag doktor ka naman, siyempre, limited yung set of opportunities mo. Pero, of course, kung naging tanyag ka rin naman na doktor, malaki rin yung kikitahin mo. Marami rin mga sikat na doktor na naging tanyag. Yung nga lang talagang it takes time, no, for you to reach that certain point of success in life. Hindi katulad ng abogado, mas maikli yung point of view, no, point of time na hihintayin mo kung sakasakali, no, given the right set of opportunities for both professions. But again, this is the word the but comes in, no. Being a doctor is not just for money, no. It's like a mission, eh. That's why it's not easy to be a doctor. Kaya nga bibihira yung mga nagtatapos na doktor, no. Pag nagsimula ka ng pre-med, bago ka makatapos ng doktor, normally ilan na lang yung natira. Parang kami nung batch ko, ako yung nag-take din ng pre-med, no. Kaya lang nag-shift ako along the way at marami rin akong classmate na nag-shift, no. Kasi bakit? Kasi nga it's really a very challenging and a very missionary-oriented profession, no?
In terms of puhunan, ano mas malaking gastos? Pagdodoktor o pag-aabogado?
Well, being a doctor is more expensive than being a lawyer, no? Kung kwentahin mo kasi in terms of number of years that you will have to spend, no, in not only in school, mga laboratory cost nyo, maraming maraming cost sa laboratory, mas expensive talaga ang pagiging doktor, no? So, but again, as I said, not everything is about money, no. Being a doctor is also a very noble profession, no. Kasi parang yung respect ng lipunan talaga napakataas kung ikaw isang doktor, no. Again, as I said, no, it's not a question of being a lawyer or a doctor. It's what you feel your mission is, no. You have to pray to God for guidance to understand what your mission is. It's like a calling, no. So you can sense that. Like in my case, I shifted because both my parents are doctors, no. But I was really planning, and it was my dream to become a doctor. But in the process, I realized na hindi yan yung calling ko. So that's why I shifted course, no, to De La Salle University. From UST, I transferred, no. A lot of people got surprised because I was doing quite well in school during that time. But even so, I felt it was not my calling. So it's a calling, eh. Being a doctor is like being a priest, no. It's a calling. It's not just about money. It's about what you feel deep inside you. What is the mission of God for you?
Yung tanong ng iba naman, ano mas maganda yung financial prospects or rewards sa career? Pagiging abogado o pagiging doktor?
Well, of course, being a lawyer, the rewards are much higher, no? Kasi siyempre, as a pasyente, normally, you're treating a patient, bihira naman yung mga bilyonaryo yung mga kliyente mo, mga pasyente mo, di ba? Pangkaraniwan niya, mga pangkaraniwang tao rin. Na siyempre, may limited set of budgets yan, no? Hindi katulad sa legal profession, maraming kumpanya na malalaki na mga multinationals lalo na, no, na willing magbayad ng malalaking amount, no. So talagang sky is the limit pa yung iba diyan, no, lalo na pagka international companies are very successful, mga international banks, mga international organizations, no. So malaki yung potential. Then of course number 2 yung government, no. Some of them most of them they go to government also, yung mga magagaling at mga sikat, no? So they can become cabinet secretaries or members of big institutions, government institutions, or politicians for that matter, no?
So yun yung difference ng pagdodoktor at abogado. Yung isa, mayroon namang financial rewards, yung nga lang, mas more of fulfillment, no, sa society na may mission ka. Yung isa, it's of course, mas mataas yung financial rewards at mas maliit yung puhunan. Of course, it's a way of different kinds of mission objectives sa buhay mo, di ba, Dad?
Correct. Kasi nga, pag sinabing doktor ka, normally talagang ang taas ng respeto ng lipunan sa'yo. Hindi matatapatan ng pere, hindi matutumbasan yon ng salapi. No? Pagka-lawyer ka naman, normally, minsan may mga negative connotation sa ibang lawyer. No? Kaya sinasabi nila, liar. Kung may pelikula si Jim Carrey, no? Na pag lawyer ka, ibig sabihin mas madalas nagsisinungaling ka kasi nagsasabi ka ng totoo. No? So, yan ay nasa sa tao yan. No? Marami namang maayos na abogado at respetadong abogado, pero yung nga lang, between the two, kung ang hinahabol mo, respeto ng lipunan, mas mataas ng konti ang respeto sa mga doktor kaysa sa abogado pagdating sa lipunan. In general, even in the global marketplace.
So yun yung mga lessons to learn namin for today. Ako nga pala si Engineer Morgan Sayong, yung coach ng bayan.
Ako naman po si Michael Sain, yung dad ng bayan.